Chad. DataRobot, born as an AI company, always will be an AI company. Give us a state as to where you all are, and it looks like you got a nice footprint across the federal space as well.
Yeah, that's right, Luke. Hello, and what pleasure to be back on the forum again. Yeah,
Yeah.
DataRobot, we are a AI application platform, close to 10 years now, building originally traditional machine learning, now leaning into both the generative and agentic workflows in terms of applications. And where we found a really sweet spot is, for the most part, our commercial customers have been a little bit ahead of the government over the last few years. And so we've learn what's working well in the commercial space, and then using our knowledge of, in particular, Department of Defense to really modify those applications to drive value in the DoD. And where we've seen that work really well, I think, is in three areas. So talent management. A couple different departments are using us to get some predictions and better understanding of things like attrition and performance. And then readiness, those are the obvious readiness things. How many aircraft are going to be available next week, next month for a given wing or squadron? And the one that's really getting a lot of attention right now, as you can imagine, is our financial management capabilities. So
Yeah.
things like waste, fraud, and abuse, which we've done hundreds of times in the commercial sector. And we've started to get a lot of interest now in the DoD in particular to see how we can use AI to make it more efficient to do some of those checks around waste, fraud, and abuse. Or we've also found some success in things like unliquidated obligations and helping different departments understand how much money will we actually spend on each contract, and therefore can we reposition some of those precious resource dollars to other areas. So yeah, we're finding that to be really an area of interest that we expect to grow, at least in the short term.